Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I will show you how to install and uninstall apps from Google Play Store. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In this channel, I am going to do topics regarding all social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and also about YouTube. In every mobile, they will give by default Google Play Store app. Click on Google Play Store app and type app name which you want to download onto your phone. Now I will show you how to download Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. Now in this page you can see all the details about the app and ratings, how many downloads and reviews. Now to install the app, we have to click on install. Then it will start installing. It will take few minutes to install on your phone. Now click on open to open this app. Now Snapchat app is successfully downloaded into your mobile phone. In this way we can download apps into our mobile phones. We have free apps and we have paid apps. If you want to download paid apps, we have to pay some amount to install that apps. Now I am installing Inspirational Quotes app. Click on install. It will take some time to install this app onto your phone. When installing is done, then click on open. In this way we can install apps into our mobile phones. Now I will show you how to uninstall apps from your mobile phones. Click and hold on the app which you want to uninstall from your phone. Then you will see app info. Click on that I button. Then you will see this page and click on uninstall. Now it is showing a pop-up message stating that do you want to uninstall this app? Click on OK. Then immediately it will uninstall from your phone. Now we will uninstall Inspirational Quotes app. Click and hold on that app. You will see this page and click on uninstall. Then you will see a pop-up message. Do you want to uninstall this app? OK. Click on OK. Then immediately it will uninstall from your mobile phone. In this way you have to uninstall apps from your mobile phone. When we install apps into our mobile phones, it will occupy some memory space. And when we uninstall the app, then that memory will be released. Then you can use that memory space for different purposes. In this way, we can install and uninstall apps from Google Play Store. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or questions, please comment below. I will try to make separate videos. I will see you in the next